वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Guru Pyaro, as we travel along this beautiful path that has been given to us by our beloved Gurus, Guru Pyaro, we must always be grateful that we are having a chance to become better Sikhs. By increasing our knowledge of Sikhi, we become better people. We are able to understand and appreciate all the goings on around us with a more holistic approach. We look at people through untinted, unfettered lenses and see them for what they are. That is, they are a creation of God, and every creature on this world is in His image. The Shabad we just heard is by Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji in the Suhi Rag, and it is on page 746 in the Guru Granth Sahib Ji. The Rahav line of this Shabad, Bhagtan ki tek tu santan ki ot, tu sacha sirjan hara. Now just reflect on certain words you've heard over the last few episodes, and you find that your vocabulary of Gurbani words is increasing consciously and also subconsciously. You'll find that when we discuss a Shabad, the words slowly but surely stay in your mind. And next time when you come across this word in any form, in the Gurdwara, or when you are reading part, listening to a CD being played in your house, your mind will be at once attracted to that word which has now got a familiar ring to it. So here you have, Bhagtan ki tek, tu santan ki od, tu sacha sirjanhara. A Bhagat is referred to as a follower of the teachings of any faith which he belongs to or was born into. So who is this take? Who is the support? It is referring to God. Santan ki ot, you are the shelter, you are the protector, you are the hope of a person who follows on your path. Sacha Sirjanhara, you, O God, are the true creator, and you are the one Lord of the universe. Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, our Guru does not mince his words when he tells us that there is only one creator. In the country where I am from, Malaysia, recently they have spoken about having one Malaysia where everybody is looked at as equal. Guru Pyareo in the Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, our Gurus have blessed us with one God, Ek Oankar, that for everybody there is but one God, and His name is the truth. And you will find the Guru Granth Sahib on the first page, and everywhere where the Bani we refer to as the Mool Mantar or different forms of it appear, there will always be the numerical 1 followed by the Uda which is said Oankar. So Ek Oankar. Guru Pyareo, that Ek Oankar is the support and shelter of all those who believe in God. Because He is the true creator. Whatever we have, whatever we see around us, whatever air that we breathe is by His grace. So now, moving on to the first line of this Shabad, reminding all of you and remembering that these Shabads are all about the supplication, the ardas that we are doing in every Shabad. Satgur pas benantiya mile naam adara. O God, my plea, my beseech to you, my appeal to you is that you bless me with the sustenance of the Naam. When one is hungry, what does one do? One eats. When one is thirsty, what does one do? One drinks a drink, water, or something to satisfy his thirst. But what does one do when your soul is hungry? That is when you look for the sustenance of Naam. For a Sikh, that sustenance is from the Guru's word. Then Guruji says, Tutta Sacha Patshah Tap Gaya Sansara. By God's grace, this world, referring to you, me and everybody else, is rid of its diseases. Now the word here is Patshah. We normally come across the word Badshah. Badshah means a king, a mortal king. But Patshah is the king of kings, and that refers to God. This is one king who was never born, who will never die, and he will always be there because he is God. So, Guruji says that when God is pleased, the world is rid of disease. And why is that so? Guruji goes on to explain, Sach teri samagri, sach tera darbara. That means whatever you have created in this world is in your form, it is the truth. Sach tera darbara, your whole creation, the universe, patala patal, lak akasa agas, odak odak pal thake ved, can ek wat. Sas 18, can kateba aslu ek dat. Guru Pyareo, the whole creation is God's. And in Japji Sahib again, Guruji says, Phir ke age rakhiye jid dise darbar, muho ke bolan boliye jid sun tare pyar. All that we see around us is His creation. And sach tere khajiniya, sach tera pasara. Infinite that God is. Everything is His, in His creation, at His own mercy, and that's why He's merciful. And Sach Tere Khajiniya. Khajiniya refers to treasures. Remember, Dada Data Ek hai, Sabko Devanhar, Dende Totna Avi Ganth Pare Pandar. Pandar and Khajiniya refer to the same treasures that are God's creation. When we talk of God's form, when we try to localize God in one place, when we look at the beauty of God, how wonderful He is, Guruji says, Tera roop agam hai, anup tera darsara. Darsara refers to the same derivative of the word darshan. That means your vision is incomparably beautiful. And your form, your roop is inaccessible. You cannot see God at one place. He is formless. Tera roop agam hai, anup tera darsara. You cannot compare the vision of God with anything else. When a person, a mortal, finds God, it is very hard for him to describe what God feels like. In Gurbani, there are places where Guruji used the analogy of asking a mute, a person who cannot speak, to describe how sweet a sweet is. He cannot describe, but he will only be able to enjoy it, and he will offer it to you for you to enjoy it also. Ho kurbani terya sevka jin har naam pyara. Guruji says that he will willingly sacrifice his all to those who serve God, those who work in the name of God, those who remember that whatever they do, they receive is by the grace of God. Our gurus have not only said they would, they have. They have given their all for whatever was or is right. Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, Guruji says, Gur ka shabd rakhware, chauki chaugird hamare. When you become famous or you have a lot of wealth, you tend to hire some bodyguards to protect you from not so friendly people. Guru Pyareo, for a Sikh, his one bodyguard is the Shabad Guru. Because the Shabad Guru will protect you from crossing the line between good and not so good, between good and bad, from doing something which may come back to haunt you and not doing it at all. That's why the Shabad Guru is your protector 24/7, as they say it in today's specialized SMS language, meaning all the time. Guru Pyareo, Gur ka shabd rakhware, chauki chauk gird hamare. That he will be your personal bodyguard. And that is what the Guru does. Before you do anything stupid, a line in the form of the Guru's word will make you think twice. For example, if you are about to scold somebody or use some terms of endearment which might not sound so nice, a line from Asariwar, if you have been reading it regularly, will come. Nanaka phike bolye, tan man phika hoy. Guru says, if you speak foul language, your mind and body become foul. Tasteless. Fika means tasteless. And how does a Sikh speak? Mit bolada ji, sajjan swami mora. That a Sikh has always got sweetness when he speaks. Now when all this happens, what happens? The Sikh, sabbe ichha puriya, ja paya agam apara. When you are one with God, all your desires are fulfilled. And remember, going back to our previous episodes, the one desire a Sikh has is, "E hai manorath mera." And what is that manorath? Kirpa nidan diyal prabdi jai kar santan ka chera. So all that a Sikh asks for, all that he desires, is to become a servant of God, to serve Guru in any way that he can. In the last line of this Shabad, Guruji says, Guru Nanak milya par brahm, terya charna ko balhara. Guruji says that when he meets God, he is willing and able to sacrifice all that he has in the service of God. Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, our forefathers, of those of us who are living outside the Punjab, when they left, many of them left for purely economic reasons. They left, some of them, just with the clothes on their back and maybe a spare change. But wherever they went, they took the Sri Guru Granth Sahib with the utmost respect. And wherever they went, for example in Malaysia, they set up Gurudwaras because that became the center of their faith. Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, the Sikhs of Malaysia 100 odd years ago may not have lived in very, very pretty houses like they do now, but they made sure that wherever they had a Sikh settlement, there was a special place made for the Guru, because they knew that if times are not so good, the Guru will always be there for them. And that is why we in the countries outside Punjab, wherever the Sikhs have gone to, by the dint of hard work and sacrifice, and above all by having faith in God and the Guru, today many of the generations of those pioneers who came have progressed as far as materialism is concerned. And so in this Shabad, again the Ardas is, Bhagtan ki tek tu, Santan ki ot tu, Sacha Sirjanhara Zarahao Pangti. And to achieve that, what do? Satgur Pas Binantiya Mile Naam Adara. Let the name of God, let the Shabad Guru be the sustenance, be the cornerstone of my very existence. Tutta Sacha Padsha Taap Gya Sansara. All our problems, our sicknesses, our sufferings will dissipate and disappear when God blesses us. So we always seek His blessing. And Guruji goes on to tell us that in all that we see God. You have heard before, if you don't see God in all, you don't see God at all. For a Sikh, that is very, very important. And we learn by sharing that we have to always share what we have with those who have less or those who don't have. That's why the three pillars of Sikhi, Kirt Karni, Naam Japna, Vand Shakna. Always be there to help your siblings. Always be there to help other satsangis in your Gurdwara to become better people. If you can share some time with people. Go and meet people who need someone to talk to, because in that way you'll be serving God. And that is the whole idea of a Sikh. Like Guru says, that every time a Sikh serves God, Guruji says, "Haun kurbani teriyan sevka, jin har naam pyara." So in this Shabad, Guruji says he will give his all for those who serve the name of God and who always keep their mind attuned to the word of God and who have this loving relationship with God. Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, as we are moving slowly but surely along this path of Sikhi, we are learning, and as we learn, we become better people. So once again, along this path, as you feel or you like to have something to share with us, please do write to us, and we shall be able to hopefully address your concerns or your questions. And along the way, I must have made many, many mistakes, because like you, I am also a seeker, a traveler, a student of the Guru. And again, I would like to, with joined hands, ask for your forgiveness if there are mistakes. And if they are of my own doing. So please forgive me. Pul chuk maaf. Guru Rakha. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa. Vaheguru Ji Ki